$3.85, $11.49, right here $83, $27, even up to $114. And you can earn money just like this again and again by simply clicking on ads. And step number 1, all you gotta do is to click on the ads. For example, this is actually one banner ad, and I can just click on that. And step number 2, I'll have to wait for 30 seconds right here on this page, and I don't have to do anything. And step 3, boom, you make money. And that's exactly how people from different countries in the world, they're able to get paid by simply clicking on ads. Now don't worry, this is actually 100% legit, and this is absolutely free. You don't have to invest any money, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. And all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer, and you can follow me everything step by step right here on this video. I'll show you a lot of example and a lot of proof. And if you stick with me all the way until the end of this video, I'll show you a little secret on how all of these guys here, they're able to earn up to $1,400. Right here $961, even here $700. This is something that I've never seen other people talking about, so make sure you stay tuned and don't miss out on that. Before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to all of my YouTube channels and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any brand new videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description, and I send you all the details into your email inbox. Now the website that I'll show you today on where you can get paid by simply clicking on ads, which is ATIclicks.net. Now you can go on to ATIclicks.net, but very important, if you don't watch this video, you will not make any money, or even if you make money, your earnings will stuck inside your account and you cannot cash out. So it's very important for you to watch all the way until the end to learn all the mistakes to avoid and successfully cash out your earnings. So as you can see here, you can start earning extra cash for all your online activities. You can do different surveys, you can participate in different contests, you can complete different offers, or refer to other people, or simply playing games. But more importantly, what I want to show right on this video is to focus on visiting websites, which means you can simply click on different websites, clicking on different ads, and you can get paid real money. As you can see here, they're super transparent about all their earnings on their website. You can see a total payout today of over $3,900, and yesterday over $21, and there are over 43,000 users registered right now on this website. And they even show you all the last 25 withdrawals, all the people who are cashing out money, and they show their username, their country, and their payment method. But once again, you can cash out your earnings in many different payment options. Say for example, if you want to pay out on PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, Paytm, RTM, cryptocurrency, Payeer, Neteller, Perfect Money, there are just so many different payment options available worldwide. So right now, what I want you to do is to comment down below and let me know where is the preferred payment method in your country. And in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to register for a free account. Make sure you keep watching to don't miss out on this. But before that, let me show you all the proof of payment. As you can see here, they show you all the days. For example, today and yesterday, there are a lot of people already cashing out their money. Now you can see here under the username, they are basically from different countries in the world. You can see here the country flags on beside on the username, and there are just so many people from different countries in the world. Finally, they're able to earn real money on this website. Very simple, by simply clicking on ads. And right here you can see the total paid amount, $5, $5, $3 again and again, by simply clicking on website. And everyone, literally anyone, can do this without any experience. And I'll be showing you a lot of examples and how you can multiply and earning double or even 10 times more money compared to other people. And you can earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars right here on this website. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just click on this button to register for free. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page, and all you gotta do is just put in your full name, your email address, and right here you can just put in whatever username that you want and set up a password. So right here, just put in your birth year and your birthplace. Finally, just click on this "I'm not a robot" and agree to the terms of service, and click on this register button. As simple as that. So right now, once you log in into your account, the first thing that you're gonna see is the leaderboard. Basically, they're gonna show you who is the top earner. For example, this one, #1. You can see here that's the username and that's the country, and the total earning you can see here over $1,453. And he's actually a member on ATIclicks since 2020 April. And right there you can see the second ranked, the top earners, over $961, and right here this guy over $1,400. And these are all the people, once again, from different countries in the world, able to earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars. And what they do is really simple. All you have to do is take out your mobile phone and click on the ads. Once you log in into your account, you can find different daily fixed ads to click on them to make money. Now for example, these are all the ads that you can simply click on them and start making money. And all they do is really simple, and you can do exactly the same thing. So right now, once you log in into your account, you're able to find different ads where you can click on them, and they are all actually banner. As you can see here, when I scroll on to the right section, these are all the banner ads where you can click on them and you can get paid again and again. Now let's just say if I click on any one of these banner ads, and that's gonna bring me to a random website. And once again, you can do this on your mobile phone, you can do this on your computer. So right now, what I want you to do is to stay on this website for 30 seconds. Just wait for 30 seconds. You don't have to click on any buttons. You don't have to sign up or buy anything. Just stay here for 30 seconds. And one very important thing is that make sure you don't do these mistakes, okay? That's the warning. Because a lot of people, when they click on the banner ads, when they go onto the website, they don't move anything. They just stay there and they do not browse around. And they eventually do not make any money from these ads. So make sure you don't do this mistake. And instead, what I want you to do is to scroll around on this website. You gotta browse around on this website. You just have to scroll down below. You just simply go around and browsing around on the website, because if you don't move anything, they'll think that you're actually a robot and they will not credit any money into your account. So it's very important once you reach on the website is to scroll around. And once you move a little bit, you can just stay there for about 5 to 10 seconds and once again just start moving again. So by doing that, you can prove to them that you are an actual human, right? You're not a robot, and after 30 seconds, they're able to credit money into your account. So once again, once you finish on one banner, you can just go on to click on another banner. And there are just so many different banner ads right here on this website where you can click on them and start getting paid. Now moving on, the second way to get paid is to click on the daily fixed ads. As you can see here, daily fixed ads, and these are all the ads that you can click on them and once again stay there for about 10 seconds and you can get paid. And a lot of people are using this exact strategy to making a lot of money. So just let me show you some of the payment proof right there on their form. You can see here my 6th payment, payment number 3, my payment, my 12th payment. Now let's just say if I click on any one of these, and you can see here that's going to take you to this page where people share all the results, all the proof and testimonials. You can see here $19.60. The status is actually successful. You can see here, congratulations, you received a payment from ATIclicks.net. And there are just so many people reporting their income right here on this website. And guess what? All they do is just by simply clicking on the daily fixed ads. Now let's just say if I click on any one of these ads right here, and that's going to bring you to this random website as you can see here. Now all you gotta do is to stay there for 10 seconds. Once again, make sure you move around to prove to them that you are not a robot. And once you finish the 10 seconds, you are able to get paid. Now you can just simply do this again and again. Make sure you do this 5 times a day. This is a bonus tip that no other people are talking about. Make sure you complete at least minimum 5 daily fixed ads a day, and that will help you to multiply your earnings and earn 10 times more money compared to other people. And once again, this is the bonus tip that I do want to share with you guys, my subscribers. If you appreciate that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. By doing that, you'll always be the first one to get notified on the most updated method to make money. And essentially what you're going to achieve is that once you complete 5 daily fixed ads, you're able to unlock the standard ads. As you can see here, standard ads, and that's going to pay you 10 times more money. You can see here for all of these ads, you have to stay there for 30 seconds in order to get paid. Now for example, if I click on this ads right here, and that's going to bring me to another website. You can see here, please wait here for 30 seconds. And depending on what ads you're clicking, some of them you have to wait for 10 seconds, some of them you have to wait for 30 seconds. And usually the longer that you wait, the more money you are going to make. Once again, stay on this page for 30 seconds and browse around and you are going to get paid. So right now, as I promised you, I'll show you the ultimate bonus tip, right? This is something that no other people are talking about, and that will essentially help you to earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars on this website. And you're going to notice here on the leaderboard, look at all the top earners. As you can see here, the total earning, for example, this one $1,400, right here this one $900, and you can see here their referral earnings. Out of the $1,400, more than 1,000 they're coming from the referral earnings. For example, you can see the second user right here, $961 in total earnings, but more than 600 come from the referral earnings. And that's the ultimate secret on how the top earners, they're ranking on the leaderboard, how they're making the most amount of money is by simply referring people to this website. And you can do exactly the same thing by referring other people to ATI Clicks as well. So on one side, you can simply click on ads to make money, and on the other side, you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website, and you can earn passive income. So what I want you to do right now is to go on to dimeforum.com. You can go to dimeforum.com. Now basically this is a forum where people are discussing on different topics about make money online. So once again, this forum is actually very active and you can join it for 100% free. You can see here today, right? A lot of people, they're posting up right here on this forum and they're getting tons and tons of free traffic. A lot of people go over to this website to search for free information. So let's just say if you're going to type in this keyword, how can I make money online ? And you're going to click on the search button. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can find different people, they're asking a similar question. Are you earning money right now? And if you are, which method are you using? Now you can see here people are asking the question and they're looking for ways to make money on this website. Now say for example this one, are you earning money right now? And if you are, which method are you using? And you can see here other people, they are posting their answer right here on this page. And what you can do is that when you scroll scroll down below, as you can see here, this is where you can type in a reply to reply on this post. And this is where you're gonna include your referral code right here on the Dime Forum post. And you can just repeat this again and again to get a lot of referrals on dimeforum.com. You can get targeted people who are looking to make money online, and you can simply refer them to this website, which is ATI Clicks, and they are going to be super grateful about that because you literally just show them a website to make money online for free. And this is actually a win-win situation. They get to know how to make money, and you are able to earn referral commission, as you can see here. And this is one of the best ways to make money on ATI Clicks as well, other than simply clicking on ads. But once again, for those of you guys, if you want a much better way to make quick money online, you can see here, I'll show you exactly how you can earn $570 online every day without a computer. And all you need is just a mobile phone to get started with this done for you, no computer payday system. And the name of this app is actually called Pockets. Now you can click on the link in the video description below to get instant access to Pockets and start making $500 every single day. And this is just some of the results that you can achieve by simply using Pockets. No leads, no website, no paid traffic, and no computer is needed to make money just like this, over $3,200 in 7 days. And you can also find different case study on different other people. They are using Pockets to go from $0 to up to $1,000 in a single day. And you can find different review and different payment proof right there about this app. You can see here today over $200 and yesterday another $243. And you can earn autopilot commission by simply using Pockets, a very simple app that anyone can use without any experience. And once again, make sure to check out the link in the video description below. Click on that to get instant access to Pockets and start making $500 every day without a computer. Now, if you think that today's video is too difficult and you want a much easier and a simpler method to make money, I have something really special to show you. All you have to do is to click on the first link in the video description below. Click on that right now, enter your email address, and I'll send you over all the details into your email inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.